Hello, welcome to this introduction summary on the ESS BIZTOOLS training modules. There are 11 modules to assist your firm to adequately prepare your team to be able to deliver business advisory services to your clients and prospects. The first module is Introduction to Business Advisory Service. This contains evaluation forms for partners to complete so that the views of partners can be obtained, for team members and also for clients. I believe it's very important that you ask your clients what type of services they would like your firm to provide. Step 2 is getting organised for business advisory services. This includes a strengths, weaknesses, opportunities and threats analysis. Be honest with it and summarise the key aspects of your business. And there's also a balanced scorecard questionnaire, which we suggest you ask your team to complete early in this training process, again at the end of the process in about 3 months' time, and then at 6 monthly intervals, so you can measure the changes in your team's views on the introduction of a wider range of commercial services by your firm. Module 3 is team training. It's very important in this process that partners are acting as rainmakers and mentors to the team. I don't think partners will have time to be able to devote the resources to successfully deliver business advisory services. And therefore we have designed this product to assist you to develop, firstly, product champions, so that individual accountants, marketing and administration people can be appointed as the experts within your firm, the product champions, whether it's debtors, personal property securities register, budgets and cash flow forecasts, business planning, early stage innovation companies. You will have your product champion. And the other section is industry champions. I think accountancy firms need to closely examine the group of clients who produce 80 to 85% of your fees. Analyse which industries they're from, and then make sure that within your team, at least one person has undertaken some extra reading, has gone to some industry conferences or seminars, and has become your internal expert, your champion in that industry. Your clients will be quite impressed if you have a champion for their industry within your ranks. And based on my own experience, I know that this will then assist your firm in attracting similar clients to your firm. Module 4 is leadership. Leadership is very important because we envisage that a significant number of your team who are going to be involved in this process have previously not been in a leadership position. So the leadership training will be very beneficial for them. We also envisage that you will appoint a facilitator, and we have some notes to guide the facilitator. The facilitator could be a partner, a manager or an external consultant. Module 5 is the SME needs analysis. This is a very important document because it encourages you to talk to your clients and get feedback from your clients on their current performance, their results, and then other issues like debtors, cash flow management, customers, competitors. Our recommendation is that you actually give the SME needs analysis form to your client about a week before you're going to have a special meeting with them, and encourage your client to read it and write down their thoughts on various issues. This becomes a menu of services for your clients. The next item I want to talk to you about is marketing strategies. There's no doubt that a group of small medium enterprise personnel that have been interviewed in various surveys over the last 15 years have indicated that small medium enterprises require a wider range of professional services. But those surveys didn't exactly specify who was going to provide those services. This is the challenge for you. Accountancy businesses, business advisory businesses, I believe, should be the ones supplying those services. But you will need to market your willingness and your ability to undertake these services to your clients. Many of your clients will only be used to your firm supplying annual accounts, taxation, superannuation advice. You are going to have to communicate with them that you are now able to supply a broader range of professional services. So we've included some marketing hints in the material. Module 7 is looking at the products. ESS BIZTOOLS contains 22 individual product packages: debtors, cash flow management, risks, personal property securities register, grants. Initially, we'd be suggesting that you select 3 or 4 of these and start offering them to your clients, and then a few months later you start offering a few more. Every year we're adding around 3 new product packages to what you have available to use. Please go through and have a good look at these product packages, because they have been prepared to assist you to start earning fees fairly soon after you've read the material. Module 8 is a seminar to launch business advisory services. We've prepared scripts and handouts. Our recommendation is you get a small group of clients, 10 to 20 of your clients together, say every month to 6 weeks in different groups, and talk to them about this process. Don't have a large group, it's a bit unwieldy. And you need to follow up and have a one-on-one meeting with that client within 2 weeks of the seminar. So you don't want to have too many there. And you don't want to be embarrassed by getting too much work piled onto your business advisory services team too soon. You need to be able to perform, to deliver the work within the timetable that you have set. Module 9 is selling business advisory services. I think in university courses, every profession should have some time allocated to improving their professional selling skills, and accountants are the same as any other profession. Even though the surveys have indicated that clients, small medium enterprises, want these additional services, you are going to have to sell those services to your clients. You're going to have to convince them that your firm is able to provide these additional services, that you can justify the extra fees that you're going to ask them to pay to you. Module 10 is the one-on-one meeting. At this seminar, we suggest you indicate to your clients that within the next couple of weeks you want to have a special meeting with them. Tell them you're going to send them the SME needs analysis for them to review. You will have that at the seminar so they can have a look at it, so they know what's coming. And ask them to sit down and have some quiet time before your meeting with them to go through the needs analysis and to identify any additional services that they would like you to provide to them or talk to them about. And Module 11 is the implementation of a business advisory service, because all this has been a waste of time unless you implement. And to start implementing, you need to get started. So we're envisaging that this training process will take 3 months. We're suggesting that you would meet as a team once a week for 1 to 2 hours, and that the facilitator would guide you through the process. And at the end of the 3-month period, your firm will be ready to start implementing with the clients that you've had the one-on-one meetings with. I believe it's very important that you work through this process, that you do not sit down and talk to a client about offering business advisory services unless you have invited that client to participate in a seminar first, because they will have seen your team, your champions in both products and industries, make a presentation at that seminar, and they will know what the flow of work is then going to be. So good luck with the training program. And I look forward to being able to work with you through mentoring sessions and ongoing webinars that we conduct for our subscribers, so as to ensure that your firm is able to offer an outstanding range of business advisory services to assist in value adding to your clients and giving your team very interesting accounting work to do. Have a great day. Goodbye.